be full of joy. May your dreams all come true. Every wish in your heart comes alive just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Herday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rikku-kun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ading. You have many birthdays to come. I love you todo without Rino. Birthday ko rin, batiin mo rin ako.
Hello, Mari kong maganda. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Enjoy ka ngayon ha, ngayong araw na to. Pero kahit magkalaryo tayong dalawa, andito ka pa rin sa puso ko. I love you, Mari. Forever and ever. Ikaw lamang ang aking one and only Mari in the world. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Ante. Happy birthday. God bless. More birthday to come. I love you. Miss you. See you soon.
Hello, Auntie Lisa. Binabati po kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Nawa, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng malakas na pangangatawan at mahabang buhay. Miss na po kita. Happy birthday ulit, Ante. Mahal ka po namin. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Lisa. All the best. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay Lisa. God bless you more, Nanay. We love you.
We love you, Nanay Lisa.
Miss you.
Happy birthday.
Always take good care of yourself. Love you.
Gandang hapon, Nay. Happy birthday po sa araw na ito. Wish ko lang ay maging maayos ang kalusugan at palagi po kayo mag-iingat. Happy birthday. Nawa maging masaya po kayo ngayong kaarawan nyo. Huwag nyo pong pabayaan yung sarili. God bless po yun, Nay. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay Lisa.
Nay, happy birthday po. Nawa po maging masaya kayo ngayong kaarawan nyo at nawa po malusog at ligtas po kayo lagi. At pray po kayo palagi, Nay. Love you, Nay. Lagi niyo po tatandaan na mahal po namin kayo. Ida na po.
Happy birthday, Nay Lisa. I pray na lagi kayo maging ligtas at maayos ang kalusugan. Huwag niyo po laging kalimutan na maging masaya sa bawat oras, sa bawat araw. Again, happy birthday, Nay Lisa.
We love you, Nanay Lisa. God bless. Bye-bye po. Ingat, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nanay. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Ingat kayo palagi. I love you, Nanay.